Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to send from Tonkeeper to Kucoin. And of course, you can do this on your computer or laptop, like what we're doing. We're doing this on a desktop for this video, but you can also do this with the Kucoin and Tonkeeper app on your device, whether you're using an Apple or a Android device. So as you can see here, of course, you need to have a Kucoin account. You need to be signed in, and also, of course, you need to have the Tonkeeper Google Chrome extension, which is just search for it on Google. Tonkeeper Google Chrome extension. It's very easy to find and very easy to download. So now that we are here, how do you send stuff, pretty much money, crypto, whatever, from your Tonkeeper wallet to your Kucoin wallet? It's very easy. You need two things. You need, of course, crypto to send from your Kucoin wallet. For this example, we don't have anything yet, but doesn't matter. It's going to be the same thing whether or not you have balance or not. And most importantly, you need to have to get your Kucoin wallet. So how do you get your Kucoin wallet? This is the most important thing. All you need to do is, of course, you need to be signed in, like what we are pretty much right now, and look to your slightly upper right corner of the screen and click on add funds, and this pop-up will appear. Now what you want to do is click on deposit crypto. So click on deposit crypto. You will be brought to this page. Now there are two things you need to do. You need to select the coin that you wish to deposit, which is in this, like let's use USDT for example, and you need to select a network. So if you select the network, this is going to be the most popular one, the ERC20, which is an F network. Click on that, and here you're going to be seeing your address, your wallet address pretty much. So click copy on that, right? It is now copied. Click OK. And what you want to do next is go back to your Tonkeeper extension. And here, what you want to do is click on send, right? When you click on send, it says your recipient address and then comment. So you just do that like that. And then you put a comment when it comes to, let's say, transfer or something like that. And then click continue. As you can see, we can't do that because we don't have any, what do you call that? Any balance on our Tonkeeper wallet. But that's how you send stuff from your Tonkeeper to your Kucoin. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.